Now at 5:30, the murder trial of a Margate man charged in the choking death of his girlfriend is now on hold until Monday. Defense attorneys for 65-year-old Richard Patterson say he accidentally choked his girlfriend during sex.
And they were preparing to use a very unusual defense, but that testimony never happened. Local 10's Carlos Suarez live now to explain. Carlos.
After another day of testimony, jurors asked the judge to come back Monday for closing statements. The case ends without the accused taking the stand or showing jurors as privates. Prosecutors on Friday went at the heart of the defense's argument that oral sex killed 60-year-old Francisca Martinez.
She had all her faculties, she'd be able to fight back. Yeah. And if there's a penis in her throat, whether it's consensual or not, and she begins to choke, how would she react?
Under ordinary circumstances, she will object to being strangled.
The defense's expert witness had trouble remembering whether his medical expertise first raised the possibility that Martinez choked to death on her boyfriend's penis or whether the idea came from the defense.
I can't remember. It could well have been mine. I've had other cases like that.
Friday marked the final day of testimony in the second-degree murder trial against 65-year-old Richard Patterson. The state accused him of strangling Martinez in 2015 and waiting several days before calling an ex-girlfriend to tell her what happened.
You are not going to testify. Okay, so you do not want to testify.
Patterson did not take the stand, and his attorney did not bring up his initial request that Patterson show his penis to the jury as part of his defense. His attorney asked the judge to acquit based on a lack of evidence, an argument she pushed back against.
So let's say, hypothetically, your client had his erect penis deeply in the throat and didn't remove it. His penis is a weapon at that point, and he's got to know that he's choking her.
All right, now earlier in the week, jurors had testimony from an ex-girlfriend who said that Patterson told her that he choked Martinez to death. They also heard from his daughter, who took to the stand and testified that she received a text message from her father that said that her dad did something bad. Again, the jury will be back on Monday at 9 a.m. to hear closing statements, and then presumably they'll get to deliberations. We are live tonight outside the Broward County Courthouse in Fort Lauderdale. I'm Carlos Suarez, Local 10 News.